how to protect your skin in winters. It's an extremely awesome climate. It's raining out here. The temperature is around 20 degrees. And I'm sure, just like me, you also might be having this question in mind. How do you take care of your skin and hair? A lot of people message us, they call us asking what to do and what not to do. Just running Google might not always give you the right answer. In this video, we are going to cover how you can take care of your head to toe. What are the essential products that you should be using, and if you can make them for yourself. So do watch this video till the end, and do share your comments in the comment section below if you need to know anything else. So let's dive in. So winters, as we all know, usually we think that in summers, because of the sun, we get sun damage. But let me tell you, even in winters, the most important thing is to apply a sunscreen. Yes, you heard it right. The first step is to make sure that you have a good SPF 30 or a 50 with you to protect yourself with sun damage. So you can't feel the heat of the sun. The UV rays can always damage your skin even in winters. Okay, great. So let's dig into the head section. So what happens in winters with your hair? So your scalp is able to retain some amount of moisture. I always like to consider the hydration part, that is the moisture part, separately, and the oil part, which we call it, sebum production. So the oil part separately. Now, some people have oily scalp, some people have dry scalp, but this dry scalp doesn't mean that it doesn't produce enough oil. It just means that it lacks the hydration or the water content that it requires, that leads to dandruff and a lot of other issues. So in winters, your scalp actually becomes extremely dry. Ideally, when you have ingredients like glycerin, it's able to attract the moisture from the atmosphere and make sure that your scalp is not getting dry. So as a DIY, if you feel that your scalp is extremely dry, just take rose water, let's say 50 ml of rose water, add normal glycerin, let's say 10%, and rest you can add water. Just shake it up and apply it to your scalp. And within 4 days, you will see that your itching has absolutely reduced. Rose water helps in hydration, and glycerin helps in pulling the moisture from the atmosphere. So first thing is to make sure that your scalp is not dry. Always apply a warm oil, not hot oil, preferably 2 times a week. So apply the oil in the evening and wash it off in the morning, because the longer you let the oil stay on the head, it will attract a lot of dust, dirt, and microbes that can again lead to itching, and a lot of itching will lead to hair fall. The second aspect when we consider hair is our hair strands. So yes, because of the cold wave, our hair also gets very dry. So it's essential to use a hydrating shampoo, not just a conditioning shampoo, a hydrating conditioning shampoo which cleanses as well as keeps your hair hydrating. If you like to apply conditioner, please do. People who don't apply conditioner, I know a lot of people just don't like to do the second job. Opt for a conditioning shampoo. You can check out whichever brand suits you. Preferably go with a sulfate-free one, because sulfate-free are much milder in nature. And when I say milder, they basically reduce ripping off. Okay. Shampooing is basically a process of removing the oil and dirt. So not only from your scalp, but also from your hair, it is going to rip off the natural oil and the moisture factor that it has, and makes your hair very dry. So make sure that you're using a mild cleanser so that it reduces the rip off. The same difference when wash your hands with if you have washed clothes. So they say laundry soap, when you wash your clothes, your hand becomes so dry. And the similar thing when you wash your hands with a normal soap, your hands are not that dry. So the difference here is in the ripping effect. Both the laundry soap and the bath soap are, cleansing, but the laundry soap has more ripping effect. The same thing happens with your hair as well. If you're using a high cleansing shampoo, I have heard, and a lot of people come to me saying that I have very oily skin, give me a very strong shampoo. That's not the right way to go. So choose a shampoo properly that suits your scalp as well as your hair. If you try this hair tonic, do let me know if the effects after 4 or 5 days. I'm sure you will see the results. Let's go to point number three, that is our skin. Like summers, even in winters, our skin tend to get very, very dry. Now, remember these cold waves, which are high in humidity at times, that is water molecule, but our skin is not able to take. Also, remember in cold temperatures, the pore tend to close. That's why after facial, you wash your face with cold water, or after applying a face pack, you wash your face with cold water so that you allow the pores to close. So even in winters, because the climate is very cold, your pores tend to close. This also means that the dirt gets trapped inside and your skin is breathing less. Again, couple of things to use in winter. First thing would be mild cleansing cleanser, a face wash. Second one would be a moisturizing and a hydrating scrub. Now, don't go with dry face packs. It is going to make your skin very, very dry. We do make a special hydrating or buttery scrub, which not only cleans but also hydrates. So if you would like me to share it, do post it in the comment section. We have seen excellent results and we make around 30 varieties of that for various skin issues and the climate. So the second one is your exfoliant, so which are you're going to use twice a week. The third one, you're going to use a very hydrating cream. I have seen you might have be seeing a lot of cold cream ads in winters, all Vaseline and Pond's and Dove coming up with cold cream, Vico coming up with cold cream. So all these cold creams are not heavy on oil. They are heavy on moisturizing ingredients like glycerine, sorbitol. It can be peg 40 castor oil. It can be almond oil, cocoa butter, shea butter. Cocoa butter, shea butter, yes, it does, help in retaining the moisture, okay, because it acts as a barrier, which we call as occulsive. But ingredients like hyaluronic acid, propanediol, glycerine, all these things, which helps in boosting the moisture of the skin, you should look at the the products that you're using, and ideally they are written in the range in which they are used. I think it's the ascending order. So you can just, yeah, it's in descending order. So just check if these ingredients are there in the top 4 or 5 items. That means they are used in high quantity, and you should go with products which are high in moisture content, but not too much in the oil content. Because if that is the case, then for oily skin people, it feels really, really heavy. The third product that you are going to use is called as a toner. Again, we are using a hydrating toner because you want to make sure that your pH is balanced on your skin and you're getting enough hydration. The toner helps to balance the pH of your skin and allows the product penetration. Okay. The fourth thing that you're going to be using is a serum. Now, this can be a gel-based serum which is high in, let's say, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, or certain other ingredient. Propanediol is excellent for moisture. So similarly, with these simple ingredients, you can use a effective serum in the morning as well as the night. And in the night, preferably use a oil-based serum, which helps you regulate the blood circulation. Now you know that in winters your hands, your fingers, your toes get cold. That is because of limited or restricted blood supply, you can say. So you tend to rub your hands and make it warm. Similarly, applying a facial oil, giving a massage over the night really helps to plump up and rejuvenate the skin. So using a night oil is also recommended. That's my fourth recommendation today. And next one will be your night cream or a gel, which is very, very important. Now, this night cream is absolutely different in a way it is made from the day cream. The night cream is highly rich in oil. Okay. So all the damage that has happened in the morning, the repair happens in the night, okay, internally as well as externally. So using a night cream rich in oil, preferably 50% and above, helps to rebuild everything that's damaged since morning and restructuring. That's why night creams are very, very essential. If you are loving this content so far, do post in the comment section. Let's get into some recommendations for our body. Okay. So, like our facial skin, our body skin also needs a lot of protection. Now, skin being the largest part of the body needs to be taken care of really, really well. There are two things that you can apply, actually, three things that you can apply. One is a deep hydrating lotion. So, if you're someone who drinks a lot of water or maybe doesn't feel the skin to be too much dry, you can apply a hydrating lotion. Okay, hydrating lotion, which is rich in all the ingredients that we spoke earlier. The next one, the second product that you can apply is called a body butter. Now, this body butter is rich in the oil content in terms of butters and oil. So there are a lot of brands that will provide, or you can also make it yourself, which is extremely easy to make, and your whole family can enjoy it immediately. A body butter basically helps prevention of loss of moisture. Body lotion helps in providing the moisture and hydration. Body butter works by prevention of loss of hydration. Okay, so the third item that you can use is something that we call as an hand cream. It's very common in, say, Western countries. In India, probably there are less people use hand cream, but there are some people who really like to keep applying hand cream. And hand cream is quite essential in winter because you do tend to, wash your hands on regular basis, which again leads to a lot of drying, and hands being exposed to the climate also leads to a lot of drying. So hand cream is something that you should definitely give a try. Let's get down to the feet. And also, these body butters help you in avoiding skin rash and irritation. If you're a person who already has a dry skin or affected by rosacea, these climatic changes can be very, very, very agonizing because it leads to a lot of dryness and itching and red patch. So do try a high intense hydration body butter, especially for your legs and your back. I know a lot of people face issue, and the most important tip to take care of your body this winter is to apply a lotion or a body butter immediately once you step out of the shower, and take warm water showers, not extremely hot water. I know it's cold, but a little warm water is always recommended. Hot water will again strip out the oil, the natural oil of your body, and will make your skin dry. So the best way to make sure that you're getting all the effectiveness of the product is that apply all this product while you are in the shower, so that you still have that semi wet dry skin, and the room still has the hot water steam, the climate, so it easily penetrates and works much better rather than applying body butter or lotion after your skin has completely dried out. Let's get into the feet. If you're enjoying, do subscribe to our channel. And I have some interesting news to share with you today. Let's look at the feet and then I'll share you. I'm super excited. For your feet, number one, wear woolen socks. And if you're somebody who is already wearing it, I'm sure so many people will be wearing a woolen socks. It also leads to drying of your feet. Now, whether winter or summer, it's essential to apply a foot lotion or a foot cream. Foot lotion is a very interesting concept. Now, this foot lotion is created to remove the dead cells on your skin on a regular basis. So this can be something that you apply every night, keep it on your bedstand, just pour a couple of drops and massage your feet. It's going to protect your feet always. And a foot cream. Now, this foot cream, the intention is to help in blood regulation. The intention is to heal your skin in case it is cracked, and also to protect the loss of moisture. So I hope you liked this series, and I've covered almost everything that you need for head, body, skin, and feet. And now coming back to the lips. Everybody, I'm sure, has one lip balm at home, or at least applying butter and ghee or honey on your lips this winter. That is absolute essential. But along with using a lip balm, a scrubbing of the lip or something we this developed is called as the Hydra Lip Mask. So basically, it provides you hydration, but also exfoliates your lips, because a lot of a lot of lips do get dry. Lip skin do dry up this winter, and because it's winter, some of us forget to drink enough water. So do drink water and apply a suitable product. You can also do is apply a lip oil or a lip serum, or almond oil or ghee in the night on your lips before you sleep. But some of these are good ingredients, but they are not very effective when used individually. Rather, if you create a product out of this and use, it can be super beneficial and keep your lips super soft throughout the day. Now, coming to the good news, I am super excited to share that after 2 years, we are relaunching our professional cosmetic making courses, and we are coming with the winter care course. If you found this video useful and would like to explore how to make your own products, whether you have your own brand or business, or you are just entering into learning this, we have developed a complete course with 5 modules, 12 different formulations, entirely covering how to create the most effective winter care product for your entire body, which is called a winter care head to toe. And these products can be used by all ages at your home. So if you are interested in this, and if you feel that this is going to help you, please do click on the link below, subscribe and like, click on the bell notification. I will see you in the next video.